Hello everybody, this is one video introduction to the Dolphin product development history. Dolphin has complete hard drive data recovery tools. Now let's firstly check the SATA and IDE hard drive data recovery tools. Dolphin has developed 3 generations of SATA and IDE hard drive data recovery and firmware repair tools. As for Generation 1, Dolphin has developed the DFLDE USB 2 with SATA 0 and SATA 1 for data recovery. For firmware repair of the Generation 1, Dolphin has developed DFL WD2 and DFL SD2 USB 2. Okay, now let's check the Generation 2. Dolphin has developed DFL DDP USB 3 with SATA 0 and SATA 1 for data recovery, and has developed DFL FRP USB 2 for WD, DFL FRP USB 2 for ST, and DFL FRP USB 2 for Hitachi IBM for firmware repair. As for Generation 3, this is the latest hard drive SATA and IDE data recovery equipment. So for data recovery of the Generation 3, Dolphin has developed the DFL SRP USB 3 for data recovery. All brands supported, and it has SATA 0, SATA 1, and PATA ports. It supports 3 hard drives at the same time to be recovered at high speed. As for the firmware repair of the Generation 3, Dolphin has developed the DFL USB 3 for firmware repair for all brands. It also supports the SATA 0, SATA 1, and PATA. And data recovery and firmware repair part can be combined into one hardware. So that hardware is called DFL SRP USB 3 all-in-one data recovery equipment. Above is for SATA and IDE hard drives. For USB hard drives, we can check Dolphin has developed DFL URE USB 3 data recovery equipment. Users can connect 2 USB hard drives of all brands to the DFL URE and perform the file extraction and data recovery. So both the hard drive SATA and IDE and the USB hard drives, these data recovery equipments and firmware repair tools we have just mentioned are for the logical recovery, bad sector recovery, firmware repair, password removal, edit ID, and reset smart. So the DFL Series 2 of the Generation 1, Generation 2, Generation 3, and the USB data recovery equipment are used for this purpose. So how about for physical head and platter swap for these physical data recovery cases? Dolphin has developed the head and platter swap Pro standard, the level 1 head com suit, the level 2 head com suit, the Seagate 7200.11 and 12 metal headcom, the Seagate Metcom for 7200.8, 9, 10 STM ES, and the Samsung Metcom for F1, F2, and F3. So these headcoms and head and platter swap tools are used for SATA and the USB SCSI hard drives for the physical head and platter swap. So Dolphin has complete hard drive data recovery tools. Users can see the difference from this table. If users want to check more about the details including the images and more technical specifications, users can go to our official website dolphindatalab.com and click on the Data Recovery Tools menu, and you can click on the DFSRP all-in-one USB 3 data recovery equipment, and you can find all the details inside. When you click each link inside, and you will find this datasheet of each product, and then you can get the free code from Dolphin Data Lab, and you can contact Dolphin Data Lab by sales@dolphindatalab.com, and you can also add our Skype or call us directly. Thank you for watching this video. Dolphin will always do the best for you in the recovery business.